Vannormus coming to you, bringing you beard product reviews and losing weight on a keto diet. Watch my journey and I know you'll want to try it. Comment, like, subscribe, and share before you go. It's time to start the Vannormus show.
Hey dudes, what's going on? Today we're gonna do the Trader Joe challenge that I made up, that my wife made up because she said that I need to eat a bunch of weird stuff. So she bought Trader Joe stuff, I guess. I've never shopped at Trader Joe's in my life and probably never will, just because I don't have one in my town. So I don't know what Trader Joe's does. But I got a bunch of Trader Joe's stuff. We're gonna eat it all, most of it all, because there's some things in here that my wife bought that really is not the keto friendly thing. Okay, I have to tell you guys something before I move on. I've still been doing keto, kind of, more intermittent fasting. If you want to know anything about intermittent fasting, go ahead and put it in the comments below and see what I've been doing. I found it on accident. I posted a video about eating like a fat person, and then after I ate like a fat person, I was eating a big old huge meals once a day, and I was losing weight. So then I started eating like a regular fat person, and it was miserable. So what I have is we have a bunch of Trader Joe stuff, and I'm just gonna tell you what some of it is and start eating it. Like I said, I have been on keto, kind of. I've been still eating a keto diet, but only now I'm eating a few hours a day. This is actually outside of those few hours a day. I know I probably shouldn't just tell you that, but I do because it is. So the first thing my wife bought me is some dried fruit leather, or dried fruit bar, Trader Joe's apple apricot. This, it's gotta go, because we can't eat that. She got two of them, one for me, one for Taime. Taime does what I do, so that's gotta go too. Next thing she bought was cookie swirl with cocoa. Not gonna happen. This stuff actually is not too bad if you're on keto. Like if you're on really low keto, you're probably low carbs, you're probably not gonna eat it. But it does have 8 grams of carbs for a tablespoon. So like if you were low on carbs and you wanted something sweet, I probably would do this, but not all the time. So, but we're not going to eat this today because she's talking about eating the whole thing, and that's probably not going to happen. So, goodbye. Just kidding. Here, I'm not going to throw that. Next thing we have is seasoned kale chips. I didn't know they sold those in stores. Oysters and pure olive oil, which carbohydrates, 8 grams. So a can of this is the same carbohydrate as 1 tablespoon of the cocoa swirl stuff. I would probably rather eat that. Then we have this right here, which is oysters this is sardines in water. I already said the oysters. This has total carbs, 0. Zero carbs. Jelly, pepper jelly. This has 13 carbs per serving per tablespoon. I'm not going to eat that either because it has too many carbs, and that'll put me way over. I think my wife wanted me to die. I really do. She wanted me to drink this whole thing. Matcha green tea latte mix. I like green tea frappuccinos. I get them at Starbucks with all sugar-free stuff inside of there. So they're decently low carb. Probably once a week, maybe, depending on my carb count. But she wanted me to drink this. This is caffeine. So if I ate this whole thing, there's 8 servings in here, so I think that would be a lot of caffeine. It doesn't really say, that's why, and it's got cane sugar, coconut. Oh yeah, this carbohydrates in here, 18 grams. Not gonna do that either.
This is tea.
Next thing you know,
tell Jen thanks for grocery shopping for me.
It's tea.
You could just leave all that behind.
So yeah, it's tea. So next is caper berries. I have no idea what a caper berry is. Sounds like it might be, I don't know. I don't know what a caper berry is. So we're going to,
I thought they were olives at first.
There maybe so, I don't know. Carbohydrates, 2 grams per serving. There's about 5 servings in here. She got 2 of those, one for me, one for Tame. So all in all, after she went shopping, spending $100 on stuff, we got some oysters, sardines, caper berries, and kale chips. So I really don't know if I should eat everything or if I should just do a taste test. Seasoned kale chips.
This kale looks like dried spinach.
I don't know. I've never eaten this. I've eaten sardines, obviously. Don't know if I've ever eaten oysters. They're smoked oysters. So let's see. If I eat all this food right here, just to tell you on the thing, 1 can. This is 130 calories. If I eat this whole thing, this is 150 calories. So that's 280 calories. If I eat this whole can of caper berries, it's 25, so we're at 275 calories. And then if I eat this bag, it's 300 calories. So all this food right here is less than 500 calories. I might do it. I'm not sure.
How many servings are in the caper berries?
There's a lot. It's 5 servings of 5 calories each. There's about an ounce in brine. And caper berries are weird. They're weird. So we're gonna start with eating these. So go ahead and open yours, Tame. We're gonna start with the caper berries. I'm gonna taste everything. Then after I taste everything,
Don't be a weenie about it.
after I taste everything, then I'm gonna go ahead.
I'm not. I got this.
I'm gonna go ahead and probably eat the whole everything. Oh, dude!
It's so warm. It feels like I'm.
You got something warm and salty under that?
Yes, and it's disgusting. It's my phone. Okay, that's all that matters, really.
Here, open this for me too. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So you're gonna swoop on mine?
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna start this life off with some.
My hands are all juicy now.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You did laundry again.
You only have one of those?
Yeah, he does laundry once a month.
No, these are my. This is my gym outfit,
Alright.
okay?
Do you want me to
Yeah.
just drain it a little and bring it back?
Yeah.
You don't have another napkin.
Alright, so we're gonna try the caper berries. Tame got them suckers open. I don't know
It does not smell good.
how to eat these things.
It,
Forks?
it looks like a shrimp. You
Yeah.
can't just like bite it off by the stem or something.
I don't know. We're gonna.
Either.
I didn't Google how to eat a caper berry.
You want to try one? They look really soft.
Ugh.
Oh,
Very-
there it is. First
I
calorie.
don't know. How do you eat these things?
Is it delicious?
Do I like green olives?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the stem's a no-go?
I don't eat the stem.
Okay.
It's chock full of seeds. I'm gonna Google it.
We're supposed to use these?
Alright. It just tastes like green olives.
Or
With like
salty.
little seedy.
Tastes like zucchini.
Does
The
it?
crunchy ass seeds in the middle.
Oh, I've never had zucchini with crunchy seeds in it.
Fried zucchini.
Ugh.
It's okay.
Alright. Next. Sardines? Or do you want to do kale chips? Let's do the kale chips first.
It's a fruit.
That's
Is
a
it?
fruit?
It has seeds in it, yeah.
But it's so
Alright.
salty.
So, a little bit of kale chips. It looks like.
It looks and tastes. No, it looks and smells like spinach. Does it taste like spinach?
Yeah, taste it. It's
These are
just
pretty
like
good.
spinach.
These are dressed with cashew butter and tahini. What the hell is tahini?
Tahine.
What? Oh, tahini.
It's that salt like that you put on fruit.
Really?
I'm pretty sure this is just glorified spinach.
Oh no, it's a superfood. It's good for you.
I'm actually okay with this.
That's not bad.
Is that what it is?
This is tahini? Really? Oh. You good with some hot sauce, huh? That's an excellent source of vitamin A. Oh no, F that. This is not one of those kind of videos. Triple
Sounds
extra. No, it's not bad. Especially after you eat a 9 million Scoville unit.
Try it Tame with the hot sauce.
Are you seeing that one?
Just a little.
No. Do I get something to drink?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's those.
Afterwards.
Next, you want to do the sardines last, or the oysters? I've never had oysters, so I'm going to do them last.
Oh. It's horrible.
Sardines in water. Boneless and skinless. This is...
Oh no.
Oh.
Can I not?
You can eat sardine bones, can't you?
Yeah.
Sure, build that shit. Yeah, you can.
What?
Eat sardine bones.
Is my anus gonna regret it later?
I don't know. Oh, it's
Like
hard.
eating sunflower seeds? Or shells?
What?
Oh.
You never eaten a sunflower seed shell?
Oh,
Dude,
no.
how did you open yours?
Sardines are like tuna.
Can you?
I can't open mine.
Huh?
I can't open mine. I'm afraid I'm gonna spill more shit on me.
Pull it
I mean
back.
stuff.
Like that. Yeah,
They are edible bones. I googled it.
I know they are. Let's do that.
So
Caper?
it's just tuna? Pretty
Let's
much.
see. We eat that with a caper. How do we do?
I
You want to
can't.
try it on a pita chip?
Nuh-uh.
Oh my god, I need a boning spork. Pork. Oh my god. I said a spork.
All right.
It's actually not that bad.
It's not. All right.
It's glorified tuna, glorified
Same
spinach.
thing with hot sauce. Drink this. Drink the juice.
Tastes the same.
Did you seriously just go?
Yes, man, I had to taste it.
All right. Here. This is kind of what I'm afraid of right here.
The aphrodisiac.
What is it?
Hey, these are an aphrodisiac.
Oh, you gonna get schmammered off of these?
We already did one of those. Tame eating butter. I've been really tired, baby.
I don't know how many jokes I was getting because of that.
Trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Trader Joe is the trader for this.
And if you feel
What's this stuff again?
like I feel, baby, come on. Oh, these are oysters.
I got a boo boo.
Yeah.
Oh no, what's an oyster?
I don't know.
There's probably a pearl in it, so be careful where you buy it.
Oh, it's those things that come in shells?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, this actually smells. I'm down. It smells good.
They're sometimes really good. Clams and mustard.
People like them.
Mussels.
It's in olive oil.
It's good. You want to try it?
Oh, can I get a napkin?
Smells real fishy.
Tastes like beans.
It tastes like
All right, so yeah,
smoked fish.
this stuff's not too bad, huh? Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, this Trader Joe's stuff. I don't know what the difference is between regular stuff like this because I don't really eat it. But. All right, can you give me a big cup of water? You have still water from your machine or no?
Megan, there's one right there.
It's not bad. These were Angel's favorite.
Oh.
It kind of tastes tinny a little bit.
I mean tangy.
Tinny, like tin.
Oh.
All right.
So what
Oh,
kind
you
of hot
need
sauce
both?
is
Yeah.
this? Why is it so cold?
Huh? Oh, there it is. Boom.
Oh yeah,
Perfect
that's a
amount.
good drip.
These go together pretty good.
Hot sauce and oysters. They say it's a
There it is.
The back, my friend.
That's what she said.
All right. Ready, Tame? I don't.
What?
We're gonna eat all this.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dinner?
We're gonna race.
You could try to make a sandwich out of it.
You probably could.
I was gonna suggest that earlier.
I don't know. I'm gonna try to eat this.
Holy crap. I still taste it. I don't want any more hot sauce. It's
Not bad for a dinner, bros, huh?
All right. So, I don't know. I'm pleasantly surprised on this stuff. So we're going to go ahead and. You're liking the oysters, huh? Boing, 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 boing.
It tastes good.
Yeah. I don't know about these capers though. They're weird.
They're oddly heavy. So it's totally fine to eat these seeds, right?
I think so. Alright, ready? I don't like eating stuff I've never eaten before. It makes me feel weird.
Same.
Yeah.
This is actually pretty good.
Alright. So do you want to race or just see how fast we can eat this?
See how fast we can eat it.
Okay.
Because I'm going to lose if we race.
Alright. Water or no water?
I'm fine without water.
Are you?
It's pretty good.
What about the dry, these things?
It's just tuna.
Have you ever had a oyster before? Or try it.
Smoke.
Before I kill these
It's really good.
Yeah.
Do you want to try one of these? Is it a fruit?
Caper, yeah.
You want to try a caper berry?
It's okay, I'm willing to take that
At
chance.
least one caper berry.
Alright,
It's really
nuts.
good. It tastes like a green olive. Only
Wanna do
really
this?
crunchy.
From what is it from?
It's a caper berry. Wait, what'd you say? Trader Joe's?
I've never fallen in the caper bush.
It's really good. If I'm eating it, you know it can't be bad.
They have like stems.
What is it from?
What do you mean, what's it from?
Alright, you ready?
What is a
Yeah.
caper?
Mm-hmm.
It's a berry. It's a magical berry.
Mm-hmm.
Like dingleberries.
What?
I don't know.
You got little seeds.
You're
Weird.
supposed to spit them out.
There's no way. I'm growing a caper berry in my belly. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Mark.
Are we actually racing?
Oh, see how fast we can do. I know you're not gonna eat it faster than me.
Oh, should I just stop them?
No,
'Cause I've been going on.
That's alright, you can go.
Okay.
Alright. I think. Alright, here we go. Alright, Mark. That. Go.
Go. Hit a bad one?
What? Oh, I got oyster. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay.
What?
You know what's trash can?
You should go grab it. Oh. No. Nah.
You got your throw up alert
Those
now.
oysters are bad. Oh. Oh.
So this is the first.
Oh, that's gross. What's in my beard? Oh. Oh.
It's all towards the bottom.
Give me another napkin. Oh.
I don't know where the napkins are. I found them. Oh shit, I forgot that was in there.
Alright, well, looks like I couldn't do it. Alright, well, looks like those stupid oysters got me. I don't know how Tame was eating them. There you can see it.
Winning.
I don't know how Tame was eating them. Not a big fan of seafood, but I tried and I failed. If you like this video, go ahead and what?
Nothing.
If you like this video, go ahead and I think trying to eat them fast is what got me. Like, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, put it down in the comments. Where I could try to speed eat. I don't know about this fish stuff. I got the fish down. I think what happened was the kale chip stick hit me in the back of the throat and opened up the floodgates. But got one question. Do I look skinnier yet? Oh God.
Did you know?
What? Go turn the camera off.